Projectiles. A projectile is basically an object moving freely under the action of gravity. So if we had this object, gravity acts vertically downwards, the object would be accelerating in this direction and therefore would move in a path like this because it's accelerating downwards and therefore the path would curve downwards. In this chapter, we will look at the motion of an object projected horizontally. So if we think about this object here, we're going to project it so that its initial velocity is entirely horizontal. The object would follow a path like this because of this downward acceleration that we mentioned before. We're going to also look at resolving the velocity into components. So if we imagine when the particle is in this sort of position, it's actually traveling this way. But we can think of that as being part horizontal and part vertical. And let's just refer to that as VH for the velocity horizontally, and this is VV for the velocity vertically. And that's what we mean by resolving into components. So we consider this velocity to be horizontal and vertical components. We're going to look at solving problems for particles which are projected at an angle. And we're going to derive the formulae for time of flight, range, greatest height, and the equation of the path of the particle. And to do that, we're going to be looking at the constant acceleration formulae and how they apply in this case.